Hello, this is Richard Music, and today I'll be walking you through your digital marketing attack plan to show how you can turn your website into a lead generation machine and begin generating more revenue for your business month after month. Now, to do that, we first have to understand how people are finding landscaping businesses in your area. Now, most people will just simply go on to Google and type whatever service or industry they want, plus the city. Then they'll normally just pick from the first few results down below or in a map pack, which you see on the screen here. Now, you'll notice that we have a monthly search volume of 1,000 for landscaping in Cincinnati. Now, if we could put your business at the forefront of those searches, we can guarantee that 1,000 potential customers will see your business first before looking at the competition. However, in order to do that, we'll need to do a few things first. So let's start by looking at the Google Map section since we already have that up on the screen. Now, this is called the Google Map Pack or Google My Business section. Now, the Google Map Pack is a very important part of generating traffic for your business. And one of the factors that it looks for when selecting where a company ranks is called citations. Citations are where your business name, address, and phone number are listed online, such as Facebook, Yelp, Yellow Pages, Yellow Book, and so on. Now, currently, your top competitor has only 7 citations. Now, we'll want to make sure that we always go bigger and better than our competition. So I recommend doubling that number. So we'll need 14 citations in order to really move up in the map pack. But it doesn't stop there. We'll also have the organic search section down below here in this area here. Now, this section, they look for a few more things than the map pack does. So let's take a look at your competitor's website and let's see how they're ranking on the first page. Now, we're looking at Cincinnati Landscaping, and they have a fairly visually aesthetic site. They got a few nice pictures in there. They do use a few keywords and keyword phrases, which keywords are words or phrases used on a website that signifies to Google vital information about our business, such as what we do, where we operate from, and this is going to help them to put us in searches related to our business, such as high volume and business related searches like landscaping, for instance. So we'll want to make sure that we keep your keywords very industry specific while maintaining a high volume of content. What I normally recommend is 750 to 1,000 keywords on your homepage. Now you see that your competitor here doesn't quite have that many words, so it should be pretty easy for us to outrank them. But if I only told you that you needed content and keywords, I would be lying to you. As we will also need what's called backlinks to really push forward in the rankings, as content and keywords, they lay the foundation, while backlinks help give us that big push. So let's take a look at your competitor's backlink structure real quick. Now, as I said, they only have 7, which is really easy for us to outrank them. But these 7 have been enough to really power their website enough to really bring them in. Let's see how much customers that they're bringing in. They're bringing in 2.29K each month to their business. Now, this is a direct result of both their website internal factors, such as the content and keywords, as well as backlink structure. Now, if I ask you this question, what would this extra traffic each month do for your business? I'll leave you to ponder that. And I just want to thank you for taking the time to watch this video. I hope that you have found that it's helpful to you. And again, my name is Richard Music, and I wish you a wonderful day.